I'm Tony Jaramillo, your neighborhood news reporter on the South Side. State lawmakers could soon consider a bill aimed to change how much money injury victims can recover in court. Some people I talk to say a bill like this is long overdue, and others say it's detrimental for Texans. Texans injured in accidents could soon receive much less money in court. That's if a piece of proposed legislation called Senate Bill 30 becomes law. SB 30 would set limits on settlements involving cases where someone suffers life-altering injuries. The bill would also set a cap on medical expense claims.
The insurance industry is supporting because it will help bring down the high volume of frivolous lawsuits we're now seeing in Texas, which in turn will bring down expenses, leading to lower premiums.
The bill would make it harder to collect money for non-economic damages. That's compensation for things like pain, suffering, and emotional trauma that don't have a clear dollar value. Victims would need to prove a rational connection between their suffering and their physical injuries.
It's not that insurers want to take away the right of a policyholder to sue when there is a legitimate dispute. It's the tactics that are implemented by billboard attorneys. They are gaming the system.
The bill would also cap what injured people can claim for medical expenses. That cap would be 3 times what Medicare would pay.
Really, we're putting a danger to the whole system of compensation to basically line the pockets of billion-dollar insurance companies.
Personal injury attorney Robert Heil claims people could be left struggling with lifelong injuries and inadequate compensation if SB 30 becomes law.
Whether they're blue-collar workers like the refineries we got here in Corpus Christi, whether they're just truck drivers, school teachers, anyone who might be injured in the state of Texas, these are the people that will be affected.
I met with Gabriel Alvarado, who suffered a 2009 explosion at a Corpus Christi refinery that left him in a coma for 90 days and permanently disabled. He received compensation that covers his ongoing medical needs.
Just my prosthesis alone is $100 and some thousand. Whether the loss of a leg, a limb, you can't put a value on that.
Alvarado says under SB 30, victims like him might not receive enough money to rebuild their lives.
The law should be for us, not against us. It's like I said, I didn't sign up for this. I didn't know my future was this.
The bill has passed the Texas Senate. SB 30 is now under review in a House committee, and I'll be sure to follow this and keep you updated. On the South Side, I'm your neighborhood news reporter, Tony Jaramillo, KRIS 6 News.